lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try